Finally, I got my hands on this model kit. This is the Fighter Aerial Rebuild, a non-Bandai exclusive, and I want to thank the seller for securing the package as usual. Let's check out what the content is inside the box. The action base is not found on the original, and we also have the stickers for the logo. Let's start building. So far, building the legs was a smooth experience. And as usual, we will be using a marker to bring out the panel lines for the build. This red part on the waist is loose. You might need to glue it to avoid it from popping out. So far, assembling the waist is smooth as well. Body is complete. The design on the arms is far better compared to the original aerial, which was prone to breaking. Building the head was also a smooth experience. And let's check the articulation. We have good range of movements on the head. The hips can bend a bit. The body can do a full 360 rotation. This red part keeps popping out. Might need to really glue that. We have really nice articulation for the arms. Too bad we don't have an upper thigh rotation, but we really do have a great range of movements on the legs. Overall, the articulation is not bad. The slot on the beam saber handle was not molded correctly to fit the beam saber. Let's complete the build by building the weapons and the accessories. This is a better designed shield compared to the original aerial. Using the shield, we could create the gun bit rifle. The design on this model kit is brilliant. So far, I like the overall packaging. This model kit wins in playability and display options. Definitely the Bandai version is worth checking out and definitely is a must-buy. The shield gun bits can also be used as an extended armor pieces for the model kit. Another loose part here. So overall quality, this is not bad. If you are on a budget, definitely I would recommend getting this one. For its price, this is a best alternative. By the way, that's it for me, guys. Now if you have questions, feel free to post them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.